Hello learners, welcome to our channel Learn for Free Now. If you haven't subscribed to it, please do subscribe now. Our today's topic is how to learn English easily and fluently. Today I'm going to share some very easy tips with you. So if you're someone who finds it difficult to speak in English, who is really interested in speaking in English but is shy to do so or is unable to do so, then this session is just for you. Now, how to speak English easily. And the tips I'm going to give you are really easy but very effective. The first one is practice. Yes, practice, 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 because practice is the only thing that is going to make you perfect. It is the key to your success. Now you will say, I don't know how to speak English. How do I practice? Yes, no problem. You may not be knowing the language. You may be knowing little bit of it. Whatever you know, just speak. Now for this, you will need a practice partner. It could be your family member or your friend. But if you don't have any one of them, then you can also practice with yourself. And how? You can stand in front of a mirror and speak to yourself. While speaking to yourself, pay attention to how you are speaking, your facial expressions. Okay? So this you have to do for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Initially 5 minutes, then 10 to 15 minutes. Now what you will realize is after 4 to 5 days, you will see that speaking is becoming little easier for you. You are able to form words more quickly. You are able to articulate better. It will open your mouth. Okay? So, number 2, coming to tip number 2, it is vocabulary. Now, what is vocabulary? Vocabulary is finding new words, knowing new words. So, now you are going to build up your vocabulary. For any language, we need words, right? Then only we can make sentences, then only we can make phrases, and then only we can speak. If you don't know the words, how are you going to speak? So, what do? You need to learn new words. Initially start with 5 to 10 words. Note them down in your notebook. Find the meaning of these words. See on the internet how they are put to sentences into simple sentences, and then try to practice them. Now how will you practice? First you'll make 5 simple sentences using these words. Then the next day, when you're practicing with your practice partner or with yourself, you will try to put these words into use while practicing and speaking. So what you will realize is out of these 5 words, maybe 2 words you are finding it difficult. So you go back to those 2 words and redo them, re-practice them. So like this, slowly but surely, you will be building up your vocabulary. Now number 3, pronunciation. Any language has its own pronunciation, any word, okay? So now here there is one thing which you need to know. There's a difference between pronunciation and accent. By pronunciation, I'm not asking you to speak like a native British or a native American. Okay, the Americans will have their American accent, the British accent, the Chinese accent. So you need not go after the accent. What you need to know is how to pronounce the word correctly. Okay? So how do you learn the pronunciation? By watching how they are speaking. You have to watch and listen. Watch the lip movement and listen to the word. So with practice, you will learn how to pronounce the words correctly. Okay? And now the 4th tip. The 4th tip is to hear, to listen to English news, English broadcasts, English movies, watch English movies, watch English documentaries. Here again, make small clips of these movies, documentaries or news and listen to them on a repeat mode. Now you can listen and watch both together. So you can listen how the words are spoken, how the sentences are spoken, and you can watch how they are spoken. What is the mouth movement? What is the lip movement? Okay. So this is the fourth tip. And fifth tip, and you would be surprised, the fifth tip is making mistakes. Yes, you heard it right. If you are making mistakes, please don't feel shy. Please don't feel discouraged. Please don't feel that you cannot learn the language. If you are making mistakes, that means you are on your way to speak good English. Just because you're trying and learning, so you're making mistakes. If you will not try, if you will not learn, you will not make any mistakes, right? So making mistakes is important for the learning process. But you have to learn from your mistakes. You have to work on your mistakes. So this is it for today. I gave you very easy and simple tips, and if you follow these tips, I can assure you and guarantee you that within no time you will start speaking English fluently and easily. So it is it for now. Take care, bye bye, and please do not forget to share, like and subscribe my channel Learn for Free Now. Thank you.